Hi!
We are here, guys. Welcome to PandTlif Lifestyle.
Welcome to PandTlif Lifestyle. We have arrived. Look who it is! And it is 11:33.
We are Cradle Moon
Lodge. Cradle Moon Lodge.
Cradle Moon Lodge.
So we're about to hike, and the heat, I'm scared. I think we need to put sunscreen again before we go out because we put it in the house, but this is too much.
But guys, we'll update you if we are gonna do it or not.
We have to do it for you guys. Are you ready?
Definitely.
As long as we have water. We didn't even like take caps or something to cover our faces.
You know, that's why I was telling that I need a face cap because this sun, I'm having heat wave.
We'll just be showing you guys around today.
So guys, we are driving there right now.
Okay, let me show you guys the view.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time.
Welcome.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Maybe I look myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
This hike is gonna be hikey. We haven't told you guys this, but we've been here before and we took a hike. It wasn't that long, we were tired already and we came late. That day we came early.
We came very early. Today guys, we came very late.
And as the day goes by, it's getting hotter and hotter, so we just need to be careful. Okay, so we're gonna put you guys down so that we can put on some screens before we go out. Put we need to buy SPF 50. This is only 30, meaning it only lasts for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
I think. I'm making up the mathematics.
So guys, we are using sunscreen now because it's hot out there.
Is this sunscreen good, guys? Is it worth it? We don't know. We've just been putting it on. Put on your nose. I always see people putting sunscreen on their nose, but no. You know we can skip the hike and just go this way and then go out to the waterfall.
Yeah, we'll skip it.
But the hike is not that long, to be quite honest. It's not that long.
This sun, it can't.
Babe, let's do it.
Let's do it. You're showing that we need to put the water inside his bag.
Guys, the bag is already heavy.
So guys,
the water. Are you not gonna take your liquid?
No, I want to put everything.
So when you enter, this is what you get. This.
Which one?
You can never bore me, my love. Should we take a pack of gum?
Guys.
Oh, we need to take our pies. Maybe. What if they start boiling?
Okay, I'll just put it in here. Where?
Okay, take this hand sanitizer.
For what?
What if we need to eat? The pies here. I need my lip gloss at all times.
So where are you going to put the camera? Okay, we're holding it. This phone?
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Put it in front so that it doesn't get overheated. At the back, I mean.
The things they need for fishing. I really love fishing, guys. So I don't know.
They say no own food, drinks, picnic baskets or cooler bags allowed on site. No plates allowed.
We don't have anything. It's just our bag.
Okay. So put this in the bag. I'm gonna use it. Okay, so that's the whole thing. My lip gloss is very necessity, so I'll put it somewhere I can. Okay, wait. My pants have a zip.
Okay. Guys.
Let's get it. shoulders, ne?
Slightly under this one.
Hey. That's literally my line for every week. Every time I point the camera at you.
Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted best of me on
You know you can take a car down the way.
Which one? Oh yeah, I remember. Should we just take the car? Chivago does not want any sun on him today. This place has accommodation. Oh, okay. So, as you guys can see, we kind of have one of the accommodations.
This is Ritacha, I'm sure the other one was old. You see, like the other one that side, it's new.
Okay.
See how it's fresh.
Yeah, so this is the second parking. Canoeing.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back?
So guys, we are here.
We are here. Not at the waterfall yet.
We took the shortcut, guys. See, if you want to do the hiking, look at the road down there.
That way.
You see?
Baby.
Yeah, I can see it.
You literally have to go all the way around.
You have to start from this side, guys. From up there.
Imagine.
Guys, see, you have to start from up that side.
And we're not gonna do that.
It's too hot, guys. You can see it's too hot. So you take it from there like this, guys. Just begin to see.
Imagine. No, cannot be.
Guys, you see, you take it like that. All the way to
it's literally just taking the longest way.
Go to the waterfall.
I'm ready to get to the waterfall now. Let's go, baby.
So guys,
there's so many activities here.
That's it. We'll show you everything that is here.
Let's go.
That's small mommy, guys.
I put it in the bag so that it was secure. Guys, I'm ready to get this hike on.
Are you ready?
Babe, we shouldn't flip over the boat, ne? I don't want this camera to get under. Oh, we should put it in the plastic bag. Woo, it is so freaking hot. Bring your phone, you want to take a picture of it.
see behind us is
the lake.
the lake.
The lake/dam.
The lake/dam, guys.
We are going to the place to buy the thingy. Guys, this is Mr. Chivago. As you guys can see, there's a restaurant. We had breakfast, so we might just eat maybe later.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart. You give me everything, so I crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If I wanna drown, I need a hit.
Hey!
So guys, we are at the waterfall. This is the waterfall. We made it. Then we did not hide, guys.
No hiding for us.
It's so fresh here. So fresh. So it is too hot. So fresh.
Hey guys, we are back from the waterfall and we're at this area. It looks like a beach sort of.
Just a relaxing area, guys.
Look at the soil, like beach sand. We just have these chairs and we're chilling.
Guys, just chill and relax and have some
Fresh air. We actually want to relax a bit. There's so many activities. We'll go check out the pool a bit later.
So guys, we are always doing things. This myself is a deja vu. Last 2 years, we were here, guys.
We were here. We came here
Sitting
at the same exact
this
place.
same exact spot. We went to the waterfall. We took same picture. We took pictures.
What is this? Oh my goodness. Yeah,
Okay, guys,
we'll keep updating you.
Guys, love you.
We love you. Later.
Alligator.
Later, alligators.
Remember that man, that old man in Bali. Later, alligator.
Later, alligator. Later, alligator. I just got some drinks for us. Well, this restaurant doesn't really have a lot of drinks. You have to go to the main restaurant to get more options. I got Hunter's Gold. And what did you get, babe?
Corona. I always do take Corona. There's a kilo of one.
Are these not twist?
No, this one.
Old school drinks. My packet of gum. So to be honest, it took me so long to get these two drinks. I'm not happy. It took me like 10 minutes and I was standing there the whole time.
Were there a lot of people there?
It was just me.
So
They told me that they're having an event, so it doesn't mean that they can, you know, not service me properly. But anyway, I was shaking it, that's why. Toast to the ancestors. Cheers. For both these drinks, it was like 78 rand. Cheers.
trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to home when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but wait, take a picture, get
Guys, look at this kid. Look at what this kid is doing.
What if I find diamonds here? Will you say I'm a kid?
What are you digging? What are you digging? Huh?
Digging for gold.
For gold? You are digging for gold on the beach?
Yeah.
Or in the beach?
In the beach. By the beach.
By the beach?
For the beach.
For the beach. Come, let's go.
Babe, it's so cool in here. And see, the water's wet. Do you think there's water underneath this?
Yeah.
The water is literally wet.
The sun is wet, not the water. Is the sun, eh? Is the
Did I say the water's wet?
You say the water is wet. It's the sun that is wet, not the water. Okay?
But I'm tired.
Not sun. Good girl.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true.
Blink come the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. But tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Because you know we're at the bar. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gonna do, what a man gonna do. Girl, when I ever have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. When I just love it when me fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of love.
So y'all, we have made it to the end of our trip at Cradle Moon
Cradle Moon,
Lodge.
guys. As you can see, we are here with the zebras.
Yeah, the zebras are actually eating grass. Like they're just full of grass in their bellies. Just imagine. But
So guys, hope you like this video.
yes guys, make sure to check out all our videos, our previous videos, and we're always posting every single week.
Don't forget to check out our pictures on Facebook
and Instagram. We post there very frequently. Every single day we are there, guys. So make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And
hit the notification button.
yes, for every time that we post, it will notify you that we have posted a new video.
Guys, we always said we would like to see your comments. drop your comments,
We're
guys.
actually seeing a lot of comments
Yes.
these days, and I'm happy about that. That shows that you guys are enjoying the videos and you're interacting with us, which is a good sign.
Very good
But we'd
sign.
like to see more people interacting with us.
Guys,
So,
share these videos. We want to grow our YouTube family.
yeah.
Nice.
Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next week with another video.
Ta-da!
Make sure to watch our previous videos, guys.
Guys, if you have not watched our previous videos, if you are just watching this one for your first time, don't forget to watch our previous videos.
We're posting every week.
Every week, guys. By the
Love
grace of God.
you.